Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Parikshit, and in this video I will be telling you how to get back to stock OS, that is color OS, on your Realme X. And let's get started. So if you have installed any custom ROMs, or if your device is bootloader unlocked, so you wouldn't be getting any OTA updates and want to get back to stock OS, which is pretty good right now because of the new update, the A.09, which brings dark mode and many more interesting features and bug fixes. So I will suggest you to download the stock OS and flash it. So let's get started. So there are few prerequisites. You will have to download two things. One is the stock OS, which is around 2.8 GB, and the other one is stock recovery. Yes guys, you will require stock recovery as the firmware which you download is an encrypted file. So it is a OZIP file, not a zip file. So you will require the stock recovery to flash it. So how to install stock recovery? So to install stock recovery, you will require custom recoveries, or you can install it through ADB. So if you want to know how to install it from ADB, then I will list a video here in the card section in which I have said how to install TWRP. So in place of selecting the TWRP file, you can select the custom recovery file and flash it through ADB. And if you want to flash it with TWRP, then let's continue. So once you open TWRP, you have to wipe a few things first. So you have to select a wipe and select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache system and data. Do not select internal storage guys. If you select internal storage, all your data will be lost. Means all your media files and all your downloads will get lost. So do not select the internal storage, and do select system, Dalvik cache and data. And once you wipe these four, go to the install section and select install image. So by default it will be on install zip file, so you have to select install image, and you can do that by just tapping on the install image file down at the bottom of the screen. So once you select it, go to the stock recovery file and select flash, and you have to select recovery as the partition. There will be many options like boot, vendor and all. You have to select recovery, and once you select recovery and once you flash it, go back to the home screen of the TWRP and select reboot and select reboot as recovery. So once you select reboot and recovery, your phone will get rebooted to the stock recovery. And once you get to stock recovery, select install update offline. So once you select update offline, you have to select the OZIP file which you downloaded, and then press OK, and your phone will be updated. It means will be back to the stock OS in just 3 to 4 minutes. So that's all guys. Enjoy the new color OS on your Realme X, and I hope you like this video. If you want to watch videos regarding Realme X tutorials, follow my playlist which I made on Realme X, where I have made videos on how to unlock bootloader, how to relock, how to root via matches, how to install custom recoveries and all. And I will be making many videos on Realme X also, so consider subscribing if you have a Realme X device, or if you do not have a Realme X device, then consider subscribing. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye. This is Parikshit signing off. Bye.